Okay. Alright, Giant Dad, what do we have to do on the list today? What's on the list? I think we have to debug. Was it debug? I'll put some music on too. Tutorial. Oh, I know what that is. I don't need that. How long will you be here for, Giant Dad? Just like an hour? That's fine. I can just hang out. I'm not gonna just hang out with chat always for a bit, probably. I need to order food though. I was gonna make food, but then I realized how late it is. Kinda gotta get going, you know? Alright, where's our progress bar? Oh, wrong server. Enemy, NPC, AI, and collision for combat. Okay, so that's... like, when we walk into the sky. I thought I killed all this stuff. Did I not save? Oh, what the fuck? I could have swore I cleared out this room. Oh, no, I know what the issue is, actually. I know what the issue is, actually. Yeah, that's my bad. Okay. Does the color work or no? Okay, now the coloring still doesn't work. So when it's our turn, the cards are grayed out. And when it's his turn, our cards are on. So we still need to debug the coloring. Do you need me to stream on Discord during that, or do you have the stream open? You got it? Okay. I forget where we left off for that. I know we were trying to debug that. We tried like one or two things. But then I think you had an idea, but you had to go. I think that's where we left off. Hello, Tango Fate. We're trying to debug the combat. So, oh fuck. So basically, when you walk into someone, right, it's his turn, my cards are colored, and they're not supposed to be. And then when it goes to my turn in a second, it's grayed out, right? So it's opposite. And then aside from that, we need to work on the pass button and all the other buttons. Probably battle circle, I think, right? My god, I hate... Oh, I hate this little stuff. I remember there's like a booble we had to check somewhere. This is not it. First? What? What, the title? Is that the... It's like the meme from the raid, right, Mine? What is the bug? So, like I said, the Mr. Tango Fate here, basically, when it's our turn, our cards are grayed out, but when it's their turn, our cards are like online. So it's backwards, the coloring. Open battle circle and hand. And what the fuck would hand have to do with this? What would that have to do with it? Okay, widgets, hand. Okay. In hand, there's a function for hand turn. Is there? We don't have that. We have add player head. Is that the issue? I mean, we haven't had to make a function in a long time, honestly. That's how you know we're getting somewhere. Honestly, Giant Dad, if we could start this whole thing over, I were to start, like, I have to teach somebody. I were to start with, like, making all the functions right away. Because once you do that, and you understand the language, it's just doing it. On the event graph, update card, draw a card. Draw a card. Yeah, I don't see it. Create card widget. Yeah, I don't recognize that at all. I need to find notice out. Hold on. Did someone cheat in your game? Bro, what? Nobody can even get onto here. What the fuck? Well, I guess on Overwatch, yeah, I played this. It came with Overwatch. My placements were terrible. I had 3 win traders and 2 cheaters. It was awful. I went from Champ 5 to GM 3 on my placements. So, I mean, it could be worse, but I'm just happy that I hit Champ Loki. I think I can do it again. I've developed a different way of comprehending Overwatch, and ever since then, I went on a massive win streak. I mean, I think it's just like you play with pros, and I ask them questions because they're on my team and they want to win blame, and then I learn so much from them, and then I just apply that, and I went on like a win streak of like 25 and like 3 or something. Solo queue is crazy, but yeah. Most of my losses this season though have just been the fuck ass win trades. Like fresh account, like 1 in 14 type shit. Like it's blatant. Okay. You're insane, Blaine. Giant Dad, what are we doing? 1 second. Oh. Wait, what? In hand, there's a function for hand turn. It should be on the event graph. That's right, Giant Dad, are we in the same area? I don't think we're in the same area. I don't have hand turn at all. Like, you have a bunch of shit there that I don't have. Graphs. Oh. Oh. My bad. Okay, so hand turn, set visibility, start cooldown, 1 second, animation, opacity. So it would be right here because we have the branch into the opacity, which is the turns. So it's something right here in this line of code, I think. What was that one song I wanted to play? I don't fucking know. I need to make a new playlist. Is something messed up with the branch, maybe? Like, is it opposite? Do I put false up top instead? It looks normal. Hmm. Is it this? Visible collapsed? They should both be the same. Then it gets called from player was turn from battle circle. Uh, what? The cast? Probably something with the turn in battle circle. Wait, shouldn't one of these be plugged into somewhere? Or does that look right? Because you always get mad at me for not plugging in the branches. The turn in battle circle. Okay, we'll try that. Check in battle. First round, maybe? New turn. Okay, it's probably something here with the bulls. Okay, so first round. Yes, yes, battle's on. Set the turn. Hmm. Completed? Should this go somewhere? Yeah, that would make sense, right? For each loop, as in like when the round ends, this should go somewhere. Will that go into sequence? No, no. Because then our pips would multiply. I got tired of waiting for my fuck ass license, but that's months old at this point playing. That's months old. So my license expired. I think I told you about that before y'all switched up or whatever. And then I ordered a new one and it took forever. And I was like, bro, like I'm tired of waiting on this shit. So instead we are going the BPS route, which so far is going great. It is going good. Brandon plays service. The city, I don't even. Okay, Giant Dad, what do you think here? I think it's something with for each loop. What is this song? Yeah, chat. Somebody send me a playlist, bro. Mine's ass. Okay. Sequence. Look for this. Not. New turn. That's not in here. New turn. Okay. Alright. I had to go through 40 songs to find one. Holy shit. Okay, so the knot, yes. Side one, yes. I mean, this looks right to me, you know? Point arrow values. Hmm. That the uncheck the equal? Yeah, that looks right to me. Yeah, no, it's something in here for sure. This is just cancer because it just keeps looping. It's like a rat race or something. Hi, Michael. I haven't seen Red Bell in like a week or two, okay? Hi, Dan. Try playing two windows, listen server. Oh, not this shit again. Please listen server. I hate this so much. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. There. Okay. So I'm gonna walk in. Oh my god. Okay, so yes. It's the same problem. Yeah, okay. So here I'm gonna do this actually so you can see a bit better. Is that good? Okay, so what we're fuck. You can see on both screens, it's like broken. right? So the arrow's on the right now, but it's grayed out. Can I see what it's doing? Yeah, let's put it on screen here. So yeah, it's not just a visual thing, it's something in the code. Because whether we battle like PvP or like an NPC like Malistair or something, it's broken. So there you go. I hate doing that. Of course, playing. Edie would be disappointed though. Yeah, what's up, Pandora? I'm trying to fix the bugs. Like when it's your turn, your cards are like grayed out, and it's supposed to be the opposite, right? Is your logic backwards? That's what we're trying to figure out, Michael. We've gone through like 3 different things right now. Okay, I'll pull this back up. Yeah. This and I just hate how much there is on here. Like it's so hard to follow. I mean, it's not hard to follow the like the exact or whatever, but like it keeps looping. So it's like Loki kind of aids, you know? That's all. Is this event graph? Oh, I need to organize this, huh? Yeah. Okay, what is this? New turn and okay. I need to do this and see. Yes. Okay. Keep typing giant data. I'm just gonna organize the. I could have swore the font is always bigger than this. Yeah, it is. I'm just tripping. Okay, so this is turns. Put this like over here. Stuff can go like over here. What is this up here? Death. Okay, we're not quite there yet. I guess I'll make a box for the just dying. It's great. Okay, go to the base AI. My bad. Where's that? Here? Haley. Haley, did you get into Pink Pack? We need Red Bill back, Tango. I don't know Unity enough to help. This is unreal. She never got back to me? Damn. That's crazy. Well, I think they'll get back to you. They seem like some decent people. The guy's mentally ill, clearly. What are you laughing at, Giant Dad? I'm dead? What? Like, you think I'm joking, but like, he literally should be in an asylum. Like, I'm not even kidding. You're dead? Okay. Is it because of the turn? Is it the bulls? Okay, let me see. I hope I'm right. Oh, fuck, I forgot my cards. Okay. Nope, still broken. Fuck. Who you blame? Hold on, I'm gonna try something, Blaine. Blaine, can you type in the chat for a minute? Okay, so that did work. Yeah, just spreading misinformation. That's all it is, yeah. Apparently, believing in equality makes you a bunch of slurs. I didn't know they were mod though. I got you. Okay. Why is my whiz loading? The fuck? I didn't even. What? Okay, whatever. It's a, it's a sign. It's a sign. It's funny. Alright, giant dad, reverse these. Yeah. That's what was it before. It didn't do anything. Hi, Austin, how are you? Okay. I mean, I don't see what's wrong with it. I don't know what you're laughing about, giant dad. On component hit. Add both. This maybe? Why would we reference self for double click the Atium? What is this here for? Does the does the CD even work? What do you mean does it even work? This like disconnected or what? Does it even count down? Okay. 3, 2, 1, or whatever, yeah. It's there. In the sky. It's not attached to us. It's like in the world. They have to be the same number? Oh, my bad. Hmm. Has to count down. That use your objects. It's so weird. I feel like this should be working. Success, maybe? I don't know where that would go. I wonder, what if we, I don't know, that's probably confusing though. In first round, is the turn set normally? First round, is turn set normally? What, new turn? Set normally. I mean set, active battle, into a set, that goes back to the turn. And then new turn. I feel like that's right now. This is the full first round function. Okay. I'll go through it again. Wait, I think I see the problem. It's this, right? This is supposed to be plugged into here, and it goes back up to here. This didn't have an exec, so it wasn't working, right? That's a problem. Like, I fixed a problem, or I made a problem. Which one's... Which one is that? Okay, 10. I mean, I don't like the guy either, but can at least be respectful. Um, I still try this. Okay, so his turn. Kelly's still fucked up. These are also upside down. Still broken. Okay. What do you mean they're upside down? One is on top and two's on bottom. What do you mean upside down? Or you mean like... Oh shit. What the hell I just do? Like plug side one on the top, you mean? That seems a little dumb, doesn't it? I don't know. I don't know. Never mind. Okay. Is a branch. What does this mean again? The returns true if A is not equal to B. Okay. I get that part. This is weird. I know. That's why we're struggling. It's usually not this hard. I mean, I was thinking we could just always have the cards be colored, but I feel like that'd be confusing. So, I don't know about that. Trying to organize this better. I mean, my gut is telling me it's something to do with the fact we're referencing ourselves as the AI. Maybe. That's what my gut is telling me. Where's this going? Okay, that looks better. My brain is fried. Can you try it with both players, not the AI? Okay. I thought we already tried that. It's not since we changed things. Oh my gosh, Megan. Okay, do spells. Do spells. Okay. Fuck. Okay, yeah, so on my turn, it's grayed out. On his turn, it's on. It's still backwards. So yeah, Same thing. It's the same problem whether it's PvP or PvE. So it's gotta be something general, not in AI. Flip these bulls. Where is that? Battle circle. Where the fuck is that? New turn. You can also click this to check if the default value is false. Okay. As in like test it now or not? Okay, you're calling Liz turn. So it's here. Flip these around. I don't need this two-player shit because it's the same problem. Bro, what? What did you just do? What you told me to do. I flipped these around. Can you flip these? So I did that, and I unchecked the other thing. I'm getting too quick for giant ad. Okay. Still broken. Set. Where is that? Default value turn. Where do you see that? This? Oh wait. This. Set the false. So we have active. Now try? We didn't even do anything, did we? Oh, wait. Hold on in. It's Grado on his turn. Oh, we fucking did it, John Dow. We fucking did it. No way. Well, okay, what was the problem then? I was right all along, right? We had a bool backwards. I was right all along. We just had to find which bool it was. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's investigate that problem just to comprehend it for next time. We were in... Where were we for that? Where were we? Oh, new turn. Test PvP. Yeah. So these were backwards. That's so strange. Yeah, I'll test PvP. Oh, don't. I almost ran into that guy. That would have been. Wait, I'm kind of curious though. If we do a battle of 3 people, what happens? We haven't tried that yet. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, so it's working as you can see. And swaps. Okay. Yeah, so it's a general problem, not PvE versus PvP. Nice job, Giant. That's crazy. We just have to change the fucking equals, bro. You have the opposite of these and it works? Yes. I checked the bottom and unchecked. Or so I checked the top and unchecked the bottom. So right here. That means something is different. I don't know what it is. Well, it can't be that big of a deal, hopefully. Hopefully. That's actually really funny. Okay, I don't know if you have to head out now or not, but something easy we could probably work on is making the pass button work. That shouldn't be too hard. Oh fuck, I brought the order food. Got so busy. Yeah. Go to hand. I want to organize this, but I'll do that on my own time. Go to hand. Okay. Do I need to make... Oh wait. Is there code for this? Oh Christ. I shouldn't have said that. Press pass. Just in the event graph somewhere. Okay. Pass. How do you get press pass? Click the button? Bro. Oh. My bad. Silly me. What should I get the giant at? Some chicken? Yeah. I remember the first time I learned how like overpowered chicken was for working out. I was like, dude, that's like that should be a crime. It's pretty funny. Okay, place order. Oh no 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 no! Don't. Oh fuck! I used the wrong thing. Oh no! I hope I don't get in trouble. Oh, it's too late. It's too late to go back. Okay, Wiz sequence. Wait, what? Wiz sequence. Target is base character. Yep, fire. Wiz sequence M or go? Guess are two. Why does it look different? Which one is a giant head? This? You should have all these in base character? Okay. Where's that at? Battle reference, spawn actor. Okay, they're both here. So there's Go and... Why are these so different from yours though? Yes, custom. I don't know. We have an event just for Wiz sequence. And that is... What is that color again? Is that for your hand? I always forget what that color means. This? Can't be. No, it can't be. It's too late. Destruct? Destruct. Dark Blade Destruct. Yeah, I just figured that out. So which one is it? Like, what are we structing? The hand? WB hands. Timer handle. Oh god, what is that? Oh, I see. Okay. Why is it called New Pram? I can't rename it. Yours is named. Like that. Rename it there. But again, it doesn't name the other one though. Oh. What is WRC? Wrong card? I don't think that makes sense. That makes sense. Why is chat not loading for me? People are just chilling, that's why. I mean, I'm literally just doing coding right now. Like, it's pretty chill. Like, we're not, nothing exciting is going on, you know? My YouTube crashed? How does your YouTube crash, Shannon? Okay, so that's done. Which means we'll go here. That was. Oops. Okay, but then we still have the problem where yours is stacked and mine isn't. Unless. What's this do? Oh, is that it? I think I got it. I got it. I don't understand what the cost means. Like, what is it costing by passing? I don't get that. Okay. Is that it? You just call... You just call it? It's kind of anticlimactic, I guess. That's it? I don't believe you, Granddad. Oh no, not two players. I think Giant Dad's trolling. Alright, let's see. I wish I saved the last time, bro. I cleared out this whole room. Ugh. It's so annoying getting con stuff. His turn. Have to wait for our turn. Okay, so I'll go here. Pass. Oh, it did work. Wow, it's that simple, huh? It's that simple. Okay, do you have to go Giant Dad? I know you said you didn't have a lot of time today. Oh shit. Oh my god, why is my PC crashing, dude? What the fuck? They're late? Who are the aliens? What else do we have to do? We need to work on the hand swap. So we fixed the bug, we got pass to work. So the hard one is going to be the swap mechanic. Or we need to make two... Okay. I'm going to write this down because this is not something that is easy to say out loud. I'm going to put in dev talks. So I'll just get hand one, hand two. Giant Dad and I do the programming, yeah. But we have people doing like story and art. I actually had the story guy reach out to me today about some stuff. I gotta read over that whenever I have the time here. I'll do that when Giant Dad has to leave. Utilities. Every time you swap. Okay, so really there's three things going on here, Giant Dad. There's two hands. So like 8 different cards. And when you hit the button, you switch the hand and the camera angle changes. So we need to get the camera angle to change when we hit the button, and we need to get the hands to change when you hit the button. So this is a pretty complex one. Look in Dev Talk, I kind of explained it in a more digestible way. But yeah, no, we have like 3 artists, I think right now, maybe 4, and then the story guy I have to get back to, and then the programming just trying that, and we had more artists, but one of them had to drop out because they got a lot of stuff going on. I don't know what happened to Wolf, bro. Wolf hasn't been here in a month. I think he like that ass might have died, bro. I've known Wolf for like 5 years. He's not the type to just die. I don't know. Kind of concerned about him, low key. But because Wolf was like I think there's a Wolf Giant Dad and I who started the whole thing, if I remember correctly. Or maybe it was just Wolf. I don't remember. I think Giant Dad was also there. Because if Giant Dad wasn't there, I wouldn't have got anything done. So yeah. But does that make sense though, Giant Dad? I think we could probably. Okay, wait, don't tell me. Don't tell me. I think I know what to do. Hold on. I know what to do. When you go to widget, fuck, which one? And go to swap, and you go to the code. Okay, well, no matter what we do, I need to get the button in the event graph, Giant Dad. So we need to do swap on pressed. No matter what, we have to start with this. You want 2 decks, or do the cards in the one deck separate into 2 hands? Like, actually, this is a nice time to have this open right now. 1 second round ahead. I think Wolf also, before he died, I think he made an image for it. Did he? Um, wait. Yeah, not quite. Never mind. So basically, think of it like, okay, how can I explain this, chat? The first half of my deck, it's gonna like all be storm spells, right? So the first half, all storm, okay? And then the second half, I guess we'll do life. Okay, so the top half, let's say that's like your utility or something, and the bottom half is your attack. Okay, Giant Dad? So it's technically like all in one deck. You know what I mean? So on your attack hand, you would only have 32 cards technically. And same thing for your support hand or whatever. And then it would equate to whatever amount, like 64, 70, 100, whatever we want the max amount of cards to be. Does that make sense or no? Or do you think it would be better to program 2 separate decks? Like, for our sake, what's the best way to go about it? Basically, think of like the top half is your Shambo, and like the bottom half is like your Storm Owl and shit, you know? Then you cycle between those. Let's figure out how you want to build the deck. Well, like the UI for it or something? Is the UI fine as it is? Um, I mean, I guess what you're saying, we need to develop the UI more, maybe? I guess, yeah. We would need 8 spells. Yeah, we needed the, okay. We would need 8 spells, and we need to develop the UI first. We need 8 spells because we need, like, 4 attack or whatever. I guess, no, we wouldn't need 8 spells, technically. Um, but yeah, no, I think you are right. I think you are right. Or like think of it like you know how your charter cards are like its own separate deck or whatever, right? And I'm pretty sure TC are literally half, almost half of your spells, right? So just think of it like your TC that is more limited is the other half of your deck. So something that comes to mind is like you know how you have your fusion like at the top right here or top left, these 2 tabs. So I'm thinking maybe we could have one where, well, 3 actually. One where it's like everything, like all spells, and then one would be like your attack, and then 3 or whatever would be support. So you'd have 3 tabs here, basically, right? Maybe you shouldn't have all spells though, because well, if we don't have all spells, I think the casual player would get confused, low-key, because they might be stuck in their attack deck looking for support cards. So probably have 3. Probably have 3. But does that make sense though, Brandon? Will the decks get bigger? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. I mean, what do you think, Danton? What do you think? If you could divide your Shambo cards and like your offensive hand like between 2 decks or whatever, like 32 and 32, so you have more control over things. Technically 8 cards per hand. Would you want a bigger size deck if you have more control over your hand, Danton? I'm not sure you would. I'm not sure you would. Because you wouldn't have to like pack max copies to pull something. Like you just pack a couple and then like if you know you're gonna need it, you just hold on to it. I mean, I could be wrong, Chad. I'm open to criticism here. But if you have more control over your deck, I'll probably write this in the server as a do you what if you have more control over your deck, do you need more space? Do you still need more space? Okay, I added the Discord and asked them about that. Oh, I need to go pee giant dead. 1 second. Okay. My food here? Yeah, I feel like my food should be here by now. Ugh. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Get a rough draft of what it looks like for next time. It's not that hard to do actually. Just add an extra bool in the card struct. Card struct. Data struct. Is it here? This? It has to be. And the card struct. Add an extra bool. Where? Because these are cards. So what do you mean add an extra bool? Add an extra bool. Oh, my food's here. Hello? I'm back. I got my chicken. Alright, Giant Dad. How am I? Where am I adding a bool here? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Where? Where? How? Or is it somewhere else? You can't do interesting strats with a small deck. I don't want to be forced to play meta. So you're saying having what you're saying, Danton, is having more control over your deck would not fix the problem. That's what you're saying, right? Or actually, I think I might know what Danton is saying. You're saying if you only have 32 cards for your interesting strat in one of the decks, you're going to be limited to how much you can be creative. Is that right, Danton? Is that what you meant? Like, you think your creativity is being limited. Even if you have more control, there might not be enough stuff to be creative. You gotta go? Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine. Alright, see you later, Granddad. Have fun. I guess we'll hop on a whiz now. I saved, right? Cool. Do I even want to be on this? I don't even want to be on this game, bro. I think I'll just watch matches and talk to chat. Will you finally bring back healing? Q Storm right now? Bro, what? Oh. What you doing? Does she just meow at the door like that all the time? It's closed. You want me to queue max level right now? Nah, I try not to do it anymore because I saw how expensive it was getting Danton, to say the least. Tell you what you can do. Oh, this cat. This cat is funny. Hello. Well, you want outside now? See you later. Oh boy, I don't even know my deck, Danton. I think I need Max Sultan. I think packing this is a decent idea. Ice can't counter shields? Yeah, at least fire. Unless you mean my setup. I mean, obviously, objectively speaking, it's not. You can't win on this goal. I mean, we've been knowing that, right? He's insane bolt. You're crazy, then. You are crazy. Am I missing anything? Oh, Sprite's worm. Oh yeah, I'm missing a lot actually. Fuck. Shit. Yeah. Yep, mic muted? No, I'm talking. My mic is just old, so yeah, it's kind of scuffed. I guess I'll run that. I don't know. The noise reduction doesn't actually work on the mic. That's the problem. So it's already like picking up way too much, and if I make it louder, then like you can literally hear like through the walls. So yeah, my mic's just fucked, bro. Hmm. Hmm. Revive life. I mean, I think all life can do is like what Golem and Seraph. I would like hit in bubbles, but deck spares. Oh my god, I got another storm. I'm actually 6 storms in a row, bro. Goodness. 6 fucking storms in a row, man. I'll try to use the life minion for fun Dandelion. Okay. So yeah, I would like the life minion here. We'll see. I should pull it. I pack like, yeah, a lot. So I don't think you can kill it with an AoE Dandelion. That's the cool part. Because he's really tanky. We'll see. I mean, he could actually 4-pip it. Okay. I think I'll just disarm here. Oh, it's a dual blade. Never mind. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Do that. And you have frostbite. Yeah, so we're gonna try to Dark Storm me into a gen, but maybe we'll just die before then. I don't know. We'll see. I guess that heals off like part of the empower. It's not terrible. Impair is fine. I don't know why he would trap me. Is that like a wand? Oh, okay. So he did that to kill the minion. I guess that works, yeah. He's ahead if I'm minion again, he just does it again. I guess. I guess. That's fine though. I'm just playing for fun anyways. I have to frostbite. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, we'll go for a thieving here and get a life pip, I think. I need to pull the shot though. That's the important part. I could just shot and then empower right away, Danton. So if he Sultans again, I'll probably just minion again. Dude, why do I not have the shot? I mean, I could just Beetle Thin Air, get a buff out, right? It's not like we're that far behind. Okay. The issue is I need to pull for a minion inside again, but I also need to play off a main deck. If I tower, I can shad first, actually. Or if I just buff. I should have kept the JD though for this situation. I need to get the shad, yeah. Let's go for that. These pips are annoying now. Owl, I mean Owl's cool, but I don't got the shad. Yeah. I mean, I guess you're just gonna have the weakness here, right? I think so. I don't think I'm dead to a shark into a shad, especially with the debuff on. Yeah, I just haven't pulled a shad, and he'll have a shad. That's unfortunate. Well, I think we need to catch here, obviously. And just play for a shad. I like catch tower owl or something. Or just catch into a shad. And if he disarms, I need to pull another catch. His shad does like 5k. That's fine. I just had the shot a while ago, Loki. But yeah, we were deck filling very hard. Yeah, so I just catch again here into a shot, but the deck failed. So I don't think we can win anymore, actually. Hmm. Yeah, he just hits first because I deck filled. That's unfortunate. Unfortunate. Dude, I still haven't pulled a shot and the game's over, bro. Like, oh my god. Like, why load me in the game if you don't let me play? Why? It's all 3 Stormiers I played. Just I don't get to play. He just shots first. Bro, what is that? Oh, it's Beetle, right? This is so winnable. He's an elf again. Give me a card. Holy shit, dude. I haven't seen the one that frostbite. Okay. I mean, I'm not dead to a shad. I think I'm gonna shad twice. But if I do that, it's probably a tie, huh? I mean, it's not really much I can do to prevent that. I didn't pull any spells I needed. Unfortunate. Yep, this deck failed the whole time. I've only lost Storm Mirrors to this reason, which is not even a skill, which is the tragic part. Yeah, so even if I can shad twice here, I'll die to backlash. Yeah. I mean, I don't want to tie it. The rank isn't that serious, and he clearly cares more about rank than I do, so. Like, this would have to do less than 5k for it not to be a tie, but it is like 5 point something. Zilla would have been good. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really need it though. Like, I could have just pulled what I needed, you know? So yeah, I'm not gonna tie it because I just don't care about the rank. I just deck filled the whole game, so. Like, this would kill right now, right? But it's not worth it. It's not worth it. I think Raging Bull's broken right now, video, from what I heard. Yeah, we need to Frostbite or pull our Shad when he couldn't Shad. Or pull a catch. We have to pull one of those 3 moves. 6 mirror matchups, man. That's every loss. Just to RNG. What the hell is happening? A crazy delay. Dude, imagine I get 7 storms in a row. Why I just deck fail the whole time? Imagine. If you Raging Bull Shad, the minion? Yeah, I heard about that. I think Lauren told me about that. Hell yeah, Wizard Man. That's not really anything to learn there. I just deck filled for 3 rounds when he would have lost, but it's just RNG. It's just RNG. But then your life minion. Power. Is that it? One. I'm missing something. No, I don't really care. I'll probably try one more. If I get another mirror, I'm just gonna run off. Same thing as yesterday. It's 7 in a row where I'm just deck filling. It's just no point in getting your blood pressure up. Or better things to do. 10-minute PvP stream. I wasn't planning to stream today, to be fair. What's that minion called? Life Guardian? Sprite Guardian. Dan, Tom, you gonna try that fire strat? I honestly think that's like really good for fire. Like against ice, for example, I feel like that's like really good. You used the life minion last season? No way, Danton. The fire healing? Oh, I see. Well, try the one we talked about earlier. I'll get a game in 5 minutes. I'm also logging off. Where's their minion? Why do exalted players never minion? I don't get this move. What's he gonna do with myth traps? Well, actually, doesn't Lave have that OP centaur thing? Maybe that's why. He doesn't need the shield. She has 8,000 health and resist. Wonder, do they even pack heal counters at Exalted? What would I do if I was her? She can't really weakness, can't really shield. What the fuck? Okay. I mean, doesn't he just click like Earthwalker or something? I would have shielded it. Maybe not. Oh, the brace. I mean, maybe she has a trap aura. She has a shield or trap aura. I think shield is good. It's not bad. Okay. Last one. If it's another mirror, I'm logging off. I'm not doing 7, bro. Been deaths and fucking storms. I'll play a death Danton. It's not a mirror. You're gonna be. Hell yeah, Dan. Hell yeah, brother. I'm about to end 301. Catch is okay. Do I want it yet, though? It's hard to say. Probably not. Maybe just Beetle. He wants Dominion, clearly. I got a good Sultan if he minions. Danton, should I do the Sprite minion or no? What do you think? It's Banshee or Wand? Yeah, fuck it, why not? Bully the Storm. 600 damage through a weakness and clear a blade. And put a weakness on for 3 pips when you're immune with more health. Good idea. Good idea, guys. Good idea. So fun. So fun. Okay, I mean, I pulled a shot, I guess. It's a random move, but it works because we're Trambo. Guess we'll do that. Yeah, I guess we'll ball out with the minion Danton, you know? If I shield, he could just pyre for a billion, right? Do that. I mean, at least I have my packed thing set up, you know? It could be worse. That's okay. You could beat it to death. I mean, it's tough when they're immune and they counter everything and do 1,000,000 damage, but yeah, we can try. Yeah, I'm gonna shield because a Pyro Dragon should not be better than a Storm Chad, but it probably is. That's neat. I could do that guy instead. What's crazy, if I take my Storm Chad, it'll probably do less than a Pyro Dragon into whatever. Okay. So yeah, we'll minion here and go from there. I need a weakness counter. That's good. That's fine. At any point, I can just lose half my health casually. I love that for us, chat. Do I just kill the minion immediately or wait for the minion to do something? If I do that, you need Ghoul. Whatever. I like this because his brace is gone. I could get a shad. Possibly. That's good. Brace again. Okay. Yeah. So now we'll Sultan. Try to be sure no bug happens here. Okay, so we should be like a light year ahead right now. You'd think, right? And the minion will pass after this round because there's no more shields, which is good for us. Buffed fucking Sultan doesn't break 1,000 damage, but a Pyro Dragon does 1,300 without a buff. Fucking funny game, bro. Volley's immune. Okay, I don't mind that. So yeah, I'll do that when he breaks the shield. I just do a fire spell, bro. Fuck it, why not? Yeah. Terrible move, but I'm a storm, so it works, right? Fuck yeah. Well, I mean, I could go for a thieving. Yeah, that's way more than my buffed Sultan. Funny fucking game, bro. And the minion's broken. Yeah, I mean, this game is actually amazing, bro. Holy shit. This got me out of this game, bro. This game's amazing. Broken ass fucking game. Can't wait for this to do less than his elephant. Hell yeah. He's supposed to pass when there's nothing on the field. But it's a bug. Oh, I had a buffed turmoil in there, didn't I? Or no, I didn't. Wouldn't have mattered, probably, but. I mean, that's cool. Just pirate a reader. Yeah, I mean, this will do more than my shad. Wow, this game is really fun, man. I love getting out damage per pips. It's really fun. And yeah, he doesn't play the game when he's... Oh my god, this game, bro. Like, how is he not gonna play the game when he's supposed to? He's supposed to shatter those shields, but he's piercing nothing. Yeah, Dan, this minion, he's just broken. He doesn't work. It just doesn't work. That's unfortunate. Yeah, why not? So Pirate does more than my shards. Oh, this game is so funny. This game is really funny. Well, we can do this. At least we keep a shield on. If the minion wasn't broken here, maybe we'd be okay. Even then, though, we're halfway dead and he still has 10k health after eating a shard. Somehow. That makes sense. Okay, I have a buffed shad here again, but why would you care? Why would you care, right? I mean, it's not really anything I can do here. I don't have a good move. I have the shad again. A shad here is a great move. Very good move. But duckfill. If the game worked as intended, yeah, I don't think this matchup would be... I mean, I think it would be winnable, but it doesn't work as intended. Like, he does more damage than I do. And none of my spells work. And my minions don't work. But, so... I mean, that's something. Still doesn't care about a buff trad, because why not? God, this game is fucking hilarious, dude. Holy shit. Nah, the minnow broke. He pierced nothing, and he didn't play when he was supposed to. He broke. It seems to be a bug when he goes from being activated to deactivated to activated. It's something between the deactivate to the activate on the second round, where it's broken. Something in that zone. I mean, he could just literally two-shot me now if he wanted to. I mean... This game is so funny, bro. I was Power Dragon into a reader, and I got one shot and it's done. When he did one move the whole game. Yeah. So fun. I love getting out damage per pep by an immune school. That's probably my favorite thing. Yo, what's up, Math? Thanks for the 10 subs. So he's waiting for me to thieving so he can pyre. That's what's happening here. That's what's going on. Catch is okay. Okay, Math. I get a thieving catch shad, but still would get stunned, right? At some point. Yeah. Do I just catch here? Watch him dragging me through the shield, and it's gonna be more damage than anything I could do. be amazing. That'd be amazing, chat. You got this? No, not really. My minion broke and I had a shad, but my shad didn't work. Okay, so he doesn't care about dying to a shad. Or maybe he wouldn't die because he's immune. A fainted, bubbled, aura'd shad doesn't exist. Okay. That is way more than any hit I could do, and I don't even have to use a counter. I mean, I'm just about to get stunned here. There's nothing I can do. Okay, I mean, whatever. Let's go next. I had 3 shads here that would have probably lost him the game, but he doesn't have to care because he's immune. So yeah, he'll just reader into a hit. I have a shot, but it doesn't matter because he has a nuclear bomb that stuns me. Unlucky. I think we did pretty good though. It's just we're deck failing our shots, right? Reader. Mash. I mean, I guess just mash debuff shot, right? Not like I can do damage. I mean, yeah, I'm just literally dead. Nothing I can do. Hmm. I guess I'll do that. I can't hit because he's immune with a stun. Snow pigs doesn't work. He just shields into a nuclear bomb. I'll just die through the shield though, probably, because again, his damage per pip is significantly higher. Okay. I mean, I guess now I'll Snow Pig. I don't really know what else we're supposed to do. I'll be at what, 1400 health here? Unless he somehow just has no shields, but they always have a million shields. 6 buffed hit does 600. So he does 50% more damage without a buff. Ah, this game cracks me up, bro. What is that? Just a stun? What is this? Oh, it's a stun. Okay. So why is it gonna do that into a wand or something? I mean, yeah, he's immune, so I guess. I guess. 1100 through an 80 shield, by the way. That only did 500? Why did that only do 500? So I do 200 damage and he does 1100 damage. They're the same circumstance. That's fucking funny, bro. That is funny. But yeah, I think if we had our shot, I think we didn't deck fill it earlier, we could have probably won. He'll take Lash. I don't think it matters. I mean, yeah, this does all my health, because damage per pip diff. Then I just died to a pyre with no counterplay in the game. Hell yeah, dude. This was a lot of fun. This was a lot of fun, bro. I love a death having 4,000 more health, being immune, having every spell, and doing more damage per pip. Let's keep that in the game for a year, bro. Fuck it, why not? I mean, this is why people don't play the game, bro. It's a sick joke. 1100 through an 80 shield, bro. But yeah, all we could have done is Shad when we had 3 buffs for 3 rounds that he egoed. But again, that's RNG. It's nothing we can do about that. GG's. If you do more, I said I was done after this because this is why. Literally, these 2 games is why people don't PvP. What you just saw for 2 games. A school that doesn't need to play the game, and mirror matchups where it's just a Google Doc, and if you deck fill, the dog healers instantly. It is what it is, bro. I got better stuff to do with my life. Anyways, I will see you guys another time. Good progress today on 102 at least.